What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Ron Tonkin Toyota out on 122nd, Southeast Portland, with this beautiful Toyota Sienna 2021 all-wheel drive. These all-wheel drives are super rare and super hard to get your hands on right now. The XLE is kind of our middle trim, and I'll go over all the features. This one additionally has an XLE Plus package. That's going to give you your connected services, your JBL premium stereo system, dynamic navigation. This particular vehicle also has the crossbars and the roof rails are part of that Plus package. And this one also has the crossbars, as well as a tow hitch from the factory. So with the XLE package, you're gonna get these 17-inch alloy wheels, all power doors, so power sliding doors and power rear hatch. They're all hybrid now on the new Sienna. We've got the fog lights up front, the radar sensor here, your Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. XLE is going to come standard with a moonroof. A lot of stickers on these new ones because they're not sure if your salesperson is going to give you a clear explanation of the features. Here's a neat one. Foot activated sliding doors, so driver's side, passenger side. You'll figure it out. This one's a 7-passenger model, so these seats can slide as well as fold. Out back, of course, we've got power open, power close for the rear hatch. Down here, it is the smaller, not a 2-inch receiver, so I think it's an 1.25 or 1.5 receiver. It does come with a 4-pin connection for your trailer wiring. Maximum tow capacity 3,500 pounds is what the sticker is saying. These rear seats are super easy to work. This is new. Kind of cover up that gap there. This is for your middle seat belt for your third row seat. We've got fast charging USB ports back here, USB and USB-C. Obviously lots of cup holders. In the side compartment here, we've got your jump starting battery. Over here, this is just an access port. We'll leave it. So these are foot activated. They'll work from the key fob, as well as you have controls for all your power doors right up here. Power passenger seat as well. Has this cool wood trim. MSRP on this one is coming in at $46,185 as equipped. Of course, we have a full power driver seat with power lumbar, all your power options, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Down here we've got your fuel door release, your power doors. You can turn that functionality off. Automatic high beams. This is how you'd reset your odometer, turn traction control off. It is, of course, not just advanced keyless entry, but push button start. Gonna have remote start as well. We've got different drive modes: sport, eco, normal, as well as an EV mode. Auto hold is this button here. Auto hold does not work unless your seatbelt is on. It does have a electronic parking brake This is a CVT transmission, but it does have simulated gears as well if you want to manually drive the van. Up front here, this is a wireless charge pad. So if you turn that on, you can just set your device there. If it's QI wireless compatible, it'll just charge without needing a wired connection. If you do want to plug in a wired connection though, there's lots of options for that. We've got fast charging USBs here and here. We've got heated seats up front, 3-zone climate control, so separate temperature for driver, separate temperature for passenger, separate temperature for the rear passengers. Got that power tilt slide moonroof, so you can tilt it up in the rear or open it all the way up. We've got an auto dimming rear view mirror with home link built in. So those are these buttons here. Lots of controls on the steering wheel. These buttons here will give you different information in this display. You've got volume control, voice control for phone calls, or to pull up Siri through Apple CarPlay or Android, or I guess it would be your Google Assistant if you're an Android user. Mode takes you from AM to FM to satellite radio, Bluetooth, what have you. This is your lane departure warning, lane trace assist button. This is for your adaptive cruise control. This is turn on your cruise control. Setting it, speed up, slow down, skip tracks, what have you. Like I said, we do have navigation system, premium stereo on this model. What else are we missing? Lots to go over. Pull up sunshades in the rear. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. If you're in the market for one of these, please hit me up through my website, OregonCarSource.com. I'd love to earn your business. Have a great day.